Hi, welcome to this video and this page. Thanks for being interested in what we're doing. That's myself, David Marshall, on the right hand side there. I'm the owner and the creator of various online business, and I've authored a few books, but here we're looking at MyEasyFunnels.com, a funnel building system, and also the high ticket marketing system, which is about helping people create high ticket programs and sell them online. Everything I do is a combination of coaching and done for you services. It's not just enough to have a fancy sales funnel if you don't know how to use it, and it's not just enough to have some coaching without the online systems. So over my 20 years, I started online in 1997. Over my 20 years or so, 25 years online, I've learned that you really need the information and the systems, and that's exactly what we now do. So in this video, I'm going to go through a helicopter view of the strategy and the ideas. There'll be a couple of case studies and also a PDF, maybe a couple of other things on this page to help you understand what we're doing and see if we're a good fit for you. We've got various levels of programs. I'm going to go through not the individual ones, but just we've got a kind of month program, and then we've got just a done for you service to build you a sales funnel. We've got coaching programs of 3 and 6 months as well. And so you can talk about those with myself or somebody else in the team. So let's get into this. So this is how the process works. Essentially, you've got an internal vision of what you want your business and your lifestyle, more important, to be. The lifestyle that you have will be a definite reflection of your online systems and your ability to apply them. And so the goal of everything that I'm going to help you do, and we're going to help you do, is really understand how you can create that vision. It'll be an income of vision, of lifestyle, maybe of travel, whatever it would be. And it's really important before we create these systems for you that we understand exactly what that vision is. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to create your business vision digitally. So if you want a certain income, if you want to work certain hours, if you want membership, whatever it is that you're interested in doing, we're going to create the digital version of that. So we put a lot of effort initially to really understand what that is so that we can create it in exactly the way that you want and the way that we know works based on all the years online. Everything includes some kind of marketing coaching. So we don't just produce a sales funnel for you. There'll always be a minimum level of coaching in every single program that we do. I really am keen on helping every business owner understand how they can use the systems. And so that's why we don't just offer systems or websites alone. We always offer some kind of coaching, some kind of training with every single level. I want to help you become an online business owner. There's no doubt at all that the mindset of an online business owner, the way that one approaches digital marketing, the way that one approaches business is very different from a local business owner or somebody that's a coach or a trainer or a healer, NLP practitioner, whatever it would be. It's a totally different mindset, and I'm going to help you become that online business owner and really help you understand the steps you need to take, what you need to track, all those types of things in order for you to do that. And finally, what that helps you do is helps you scale. Because if we can understand your vision, we can create it for you in a way that allows you to scale, give you the information that you need in the coaching programs, help you understand how to manage that online, then it allows you to scale. It allows you to create more and more income over time. And that is the goal. So what are you going to get? Well, essentially, you're going to get a sales funnel and some systems and processes, as well as the actual coaching and the training and the mentoring. So the digital sales funnel will include things like an opt-in page. Now, every single person needs to build a list. So there's always an opt-in page. On the programs that I offer, there might be 1, 2, or 3 on the larger program. So we'll talk about that. But essentially, everyone gets opt-in page, sales pages. These are fast. They're hosted on Amazon. They're very, very modern and sleek looking. And also they're measured. We're going to split test absolutely everything. It's all done in automation in our own system. And that means I'm going to show you how to do that. Super simple. We will create the system and the opt-in pages and the sales pages first. Then I'll show you how to manage them. So opt-in pages, sales pages, upsells and downsells, often that's really missed. So that you can make some good income and make some good sales there. We're going to create a whole email campaign for you because that's really absolutely essential. Going to go through your social media strategy. And again, that depends on the vision that we talked about initially on what it is that you want to do and how you want to do it. And so we're going to go through and tailor that to you as well. I've got marketing scripts and templates. Nothing is left to chance. Over my 20 whatever years working online, then I know what works, I know what doesn't work. And so I've got scripts and I've got templates for social media posts and messenger conversations, all those types of things. I'll take you through all those, help you understand them and help you manage them and see how we can implement them into your business. You might be offering memberships, evergreen courses, so that's products and training that you can sell all year round, 365 days a year. Sales ladders are really important, helping you how to move somebody from a free product or a low ticket product into a higher one. And we're going to talk about that process, how that works. And we're going to create that in the sales funnel version as well. Cross-selling, very important. Not everybody's going to buy your first thing. In fact, very few people will buy the first thing you offer them initially. So you have to be able to cross-sell. And we're going to create that in a very automated way. Referral and affiliate systems are key, because if you can offer a referral or an affiliate system, the same thing, a referral system, and you can pay people good money in order to promote you, that gives you access to systems and to networks that you would never ever have before. And so referral and affiliate systems we need to talk about. If you want to, very, very important. And then outsourcing your marketing. At a certain point, you're not going to want to do your own marketing. You probably don't want to do it now, frankly. It's a little bit boring. So how can you outsource? Every single thing we do is done on Google Documents and Google Sheets so that you can then give it to an outsourcer. And we're very practiced at that. So these are everything that you're going to get. Various programs have various things, but no matter what program you're on, you will get a high quality, fast, very, very good looking sales funnel that will bring you leads and also clients. So we also do other things that are also kind of really good in today's market, and that would be Messenger and messaging. We've been doing this for many, many years. And so Instagram messaging, working really well. Messenger messaging, we've got SMS, which we use as well, and also WhatsApp. All these things can be automated, and when they're done professionally, they can save you time, they can make you money, they can really bring people into that sales funnel. And I'm going to take you through an example of that we do in one of the case studies. Also, something else I'm really keen on is podcasting. I've got my own podcast in the kind of spiritual self-awareness industry. Had about 35,000 downloads of that, not that many, but it brings people into my business all the time. It's fun to do, and so podcasting can work really well as well. So here's a couple of examples of how we're going to plan your system. We use Funnelytics. It's nothing to do with me, it's just a free program. But essentially what we're going to do is, once we understand the vision that you have, we're going to translate it into a system. And so this is a system of somebody that offers financial services. And so what we're going to do, we're going to help you understand how to create things like checklists. We're going to create these opt-in pages here that you see. They then go to sales pages. We've got the email campaigns running down the bottom here. This is where they pay, and we need to make sure those work properly. From there, this is a first sales funnel. It's actually slightly more complicated than you'll see here because we don't put all the details on here. But from here, we've gone from Facebook ads and Facebook groups. We then put them into a group at the end. And this is the next sales funnel, which is the kind of second version. This is all about core investment strategies. And this is about options. And so we have another sales funnel doing exactly the same thing at the end, which is where we offer a bundle, or they can take one after the other. And so I'll show you in the case studies what these pages actually look like. And finally, this is another one. This is for Glenn, and Glenn is a hypnotherapist and is moved into the high ticket. So what we've got here is, it looks slightly simpler, but essentially he's really great on video. So we've got YouTube, we've got TikTok, and we've also got Facebook as well. And he has a Facebook group that we're setting up and have set up for him. From there, they come into his sales funnels. We split test pages in a particular way, and so we've got a particular test running there. We've then created a couple of sales pages. These are the emails going through, and here's where we apply Messenger into that as well, something that we're testing out. The goal of all these is to provide you with a system that you can then go and run for the next 5 or 10 years. And so it really is about creating the system, showing you how it works, and then 99% of it is automated, but you still know how to manage it. So from there, they go through here, they go through to booking. From there, then we have an SMS campaign. So we've got emails once they book that come out. They get a text immediately. Then after 5 hours, they get a reminder that their meeting is coming up. We'll then make a payment. If they don't pay at that point, then we will also do a follow-up. And again, we're using text messages. Now, what will happen in the higher ticket area and any sales funnel is not everybody buys. So what we're doing now, we've created this funnel, was we're creating a product funnel. So we're turning this, which is a kind of coaching program, a mentoring program, a 12, 14 step mentoring program. We're building the funnel for a product version of this. And that's what you see planned out there. Okay, so essentially, just to go through it again, our goal is to understand your vision, to create it in digital form, which is what we've done here with Glenn. And we've got various versions and levels of how we do that cost various kind of levels. But fundamentally, what you want to think about, it's not about us creating something and then running it for you. It's about us creating something so that you can run it. Now, with some people, we do run Facebook ads for them into the sales funnel that we've created. And we have done that and we will do that again. But fundamentally, this is about creating a system so that you can get the business that you want and that brings you the lifestyle that you want as well. So below this, you'll see a couple of case studies, a PDF you can download. If you've got any questions, get back to me. That's it. Take care.